I'm gonna show you how to change your DoorDash password. So to get started, you need to sign in into your account first, but we're going to check for the DoorDash instructions right here. So from here, how to change or reset your password, all you have to do is just, if you're on Android, log out to your partner app, account settings, then log in for your credentials, and then click on forget password, and then from there enter the email that you want your account to get reset, and then click on reset button, and then it will email you a link so where you can change your password. And if you're on your desktop, you have to go onto the DoorDash.com account /password, or just click the link right there, and then enter your email address, and then from there you will receive again an email where you can change your password, and it will send you a link right there. And then once you're on the link, you just have to input the new password, and you have to just check it, double check, and then that's it. You will now change your password right there. And that's how you change your password on DoorDash.